Hi friends, my name is Milan Dolaria. In this video, I will explain you exercise 3.4, question number 2, internal question number 4 and 5. So let's start it with question number 4. First of all, read this question. Mina went to a bank to withdraw rupees 2000. She asked the cashier to give her rupees 50 and rupees 100 notes only. Mina got 25 notes in all. Find how many notes of rupee 50 and rupees 100 she received. So here two things we have, notes of rupees 50 and notes of rupees 100. So first of all we need to assume our two variable. So just write down assume number of 50 rupees note. Okay, number of 50 rupees note is equals to x and number of 100 rupees note is equals to y. Okay, assume number of 50 rupees note is equals to x, number of 100 rupees note is equals to y. Okay, then we need to form our two equation. So first of all, read this question. She asked to cashier to give her rupees 50 and rupees 100 notes only, and Mina went to a bank to withdraw rupees 2000. So total rupees she withdraw is equals to 2000, right? Now number of 50 rupees note is x, so total amount of 50 rupees note is equals to 50x, right? If we have two notes of rupees 50, so how many rupees we have? 100, right? 50 into 2. So here 50 into x, because we have x number of notes, right? So total rupees is equals to 50 into x. Same thing for rupees 100. 100 rupees note is equals to y, right? So total rupees by 100 rupees note is equals to 100y, because if I have 5 notes of rupees 100, so I have 500 rupees, right? 100 into 5. So here we have y number of notes, so 100 into y, and total amount is 2000, right? Total amount she withdraw is rupees 2000. So 50x plus 100y is equals to 2000. So here we have 50x plus 100y is equals to 2000. Now we can simplify it, right? So take 50 as a common. So here 50 is cancelled, so x is remaining. Here 100 means 50 into 2. 50 is common. So here 2 is remaining and 1y, so 2y is equals to, now here 2000. So 2000, that means 50 into 40, right? In left hand side we take 50 as a common, so 50 in bracket x plus 2y is equals to, right hand side 2000 means 50 into 40, so 50 cut from both the side. So finally we get x plus 2y is equals to 40. This is our equation number 1. Okay, x plus 2y is equals to 40. This is our equation number 1. Now second thing, Mina got 25 notes in all, right? So total number of notes is equals to 25. So x plus y is equals to 25. Okay, total number of notes, we have x number of notes of rupees 50 and we have y number of notes of rupees 100. So total notes x plus y is equals to 25, right? This is our equation number 2. Okay, so our two equations are ready. Okay, now we need to eliminate our one variable. Okay, so two equation, x plus y is equals to 25, and here we take a 50 rupees note is equals to x, right? In this PDF it's take 100 rupees note is equals to x. You can assume anything, right? So here our equation is x plus 2y is equals to 40, right? Now in both this equation x is common, right? X is common, and in both the equation x have same sign. but we want a different sign. So what we need to do? We need to use subtraction process, right? So just to write down, subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Subtract equation number 1 from equation number 2. Okay, so first of all we need to write equation number 2. It is x plus 2y is equals to 40. Then write down first equation, x plus y is equals to 25. Here we use subtraction process, so we need to change the sign. So this plus becomes minus, this plus becomes minus, this plus becomes minus. Okay, so here x cut, plus x minus x. Here we have plus 2y, here we have minus y. So 2y minus y, 2 minus 1, it is 1y. Big number sign, big number is positive, so here positive sign. Then in right hand side we have plus 40 minus 25. So 40 minus 25, it is 15, right? So y is equals to 15. Now what we need to do? We need to put value y is equals to 15 in equation number 1, right? So x plus y is equals to 25. Here our y is equals to 15, so put y is equals to 15 here. Now transfer 15 to the right hand side, it becomes minus 15, right? So x is equals to 25 minus 15, 10. So x is equals to 10, y is equals to 15, right? So number of 100 rupees note is equals to 15 and number of 50 rupees note is equals to 10. Okay, then question number 5. First of all, read this question. A leading library has a fixed charge for the first 3 days, an additional charge for each day thereafter. Okay, a lending library has a fixed charge for the first 3 days, an additional charge for each day thereafter. So Sarita paid rupees 27 for a book kept for 7 days, while Sushi paid rupees 21 for the book she kept for 5 days. Find the fixed charge and the charge for each extra day. Okay, so first of all, for first 3 days charge is fixed, right? If you take a book for 1 day, otherwise 2 day, otherwise 3 day, you need to pay the fixed charge. But if you take the book in extra days, that means more than 3 days, so for that extra days you need to pay another amount, right? That means charge for each extra days. So here two things we have, fixed charge and charge for extra days, right? So first of all, assume our two variable. So assume fixed charge is equals to x rupees and extra means charge for extra day, charge for extra day is equals to y rupees. So fixed charge is equals to x rupees, charge for each extra day is equals to y. Once again, charge for each extra day, that means for one extra day y rupees. Okay, if I kept one book for 10 days, right? So first of all, for first 3 days I need to pay x rupees, right? Then for remaining 7 days I need to pay extra charges per day, right? Now how many extra days is there? Here 7, right? 7 extra day. So for each extra day I need to pay rupees y, right? For each extra day I need to pay y rupees. So for 7 extra days I need to pay 7y, right? Because my extra days are 7. For 1 extra days charge is rupees y, so for 7 extra days I need to pay 7y. right? So x plus 7y. Here we do not need to put 3x, right? Because all the 3 days charge is fixed, x rupees. If you take a book for 1 day, 2 day, otherwise 3 day, whatever, but you need to pay x rupees, it is fixed, right? It is not as per the days. So there is a fixed amount x rupees, but remaining for extra charge, for extra days, we need to give charge for per extra day. That's why we use here 7y. 7y. That means for 7 extra days, 7y. Okay. Now we need to form our two equation. So first of all, read this line. Sarita paid rupees 27. So total rupees 27 for a book kept for 7 days. How many days? 7. So first 3 days she need to pay rupees x, right, for first 3 days. Then for remaining 4 days she need to pay 4y, right? Per day charge is y. So for 4 days it is 4y. This is our equation number 1, right? This is our equation number 1. X plus 4y is equals to 27. Okay, then for second equation. So she paid rupees 21. Total amount she paid is 21 for the book she kept for 5 days. Now for 5 days, for first 3 days, she need to pay rupees x, and for remaining 2 days, she need to pay 2y. Okay, for first 3 days, she need to pay rupees x, and for remaining 2 days, she need to pay rupees 2y. So x plus 2y is equals to 21. This is our equation number 2. So our two equations are ready, right? So here equation number 1, x plus 4y 27, and second equation x plus 2y is equal to 21. Now in both this equation x is same, right? And in both this equation x have same sign. X is same in both equation and x have same sign. But we want different sign. So we need to subtract it, right? So just write down subtract equation 1, subtract equation 1, subtract equation 2 from equation 1. Okay, here we just use it, subtract equation number 2 from equation number 1. You can also subtract equation 1 from 2. Okay, but here I am going with 2 from 1. Then we need to change the sign because we use subtraction process. So here plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus. X cut, plus x minus x, right? Here plus 4y minus 2y, plus minus minus, 4 minus 2, 2y, 27 minus 21, it is 6. Okay, then for finding out y, just transfer this 2 to the right hand side. So it goes to the denominator. So 6 by 2, it is 3. So y is equals to 3. Now what we need to do? We need to put this sign either in equation number 1, otherwise in equation number 2. I am going with equation number 2. Okay, so just put y is equals to 3 in equation number 2. Equation number 2 is x plus 2y is equals to 21. So x plus 2 in place of y, we need to put 3 is equals to 21. So here 3 to the 6. Now transfer this plus 6 to the right hand side. It becomes minus 6. So 21 minus 6, it is 15. Right? So here our x is equals to 15, y is equals to 3. So fixed charge for first 3 days, it is x, it is 15 rupees. And additional charge for each day after 3 days is equals to y, that means rupees 3. Okay, here our exercise 3.4 is complete. If you have any doubt, then just write down in comment section. If you have any suggestion, then even write down in comment section. Thank you.